Major questions over the legality of President Trump invoking the Alien Enemies Act and the decision not to obey a judge's order to return deportees to the U.S. A showdown between President Trump and the federal court over his deportation of hundreds of alleged immigrant gang members.
We removed terrorists. That should be a celebration. We removed terrorists from this country, and I stand by what the president did. We're not stopping. I don't care what the judges think. I don't care what the left thinks. We're coming.
The Trump administration flew 2 planes carrying more than 200 Venezuelan immigrants to El Salvador to be imprisoned. This video from the country's president shows alleged members of the trendy Aragua gang arriving over the weekend. When the ACLU filed suit against the administration, the judge ordered that the planes must be returned to the United States. But the administration says they were already out of U.S. territory.
We are not saying at this point that the government defied the court order, but we are saying there are serious reasons to potentially think that they did.
When asked whether his administration complied with the order, President Trump said,
"I don't know. You have to speak to the lawyers about it."
One Trump official contends the courts don't have the authority to block presidential policy when it comes to national defense.
At a fundamental level, a district court judge has no authority to direct the national security operations of the executive branch.
Hans von Spakovsky of the Heritage Foundation tells CBN News the Alien Enemies Act empowers the president to order the removal of people deemed a threat.
So he doesn't have to go to a court to get an arrest or detention warrant. The president himself can issue a warrant for the removal of these aliens. So it's actually the judge acting outside of the Constitution and the law by trying to override the president's judgment.
The White House press secretary claims there are questions whether the judge's verbal order carries the same weight as a written one. The judge called that one heck of a stretch, and he's demanding the administration give an explanation why his order was not obeyed by noon Tuesday. Wendy Griffith, CBN.